English, including General English, LV3 years course, parts of speech. Parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called part of speech according to their use, that is, according to work they do in a sentence. The parts of speech are 8 in number. Number 1, a noun. A noun. A noun. A adjective. A pronoun. A noun. A pronoun. Number 3, a verb. Number 4, adverb. Adverb. Number 5, a preposition. Number 6, conjunction. A conjunction. Number 7, an interjection. A noun, a pronoun, an adjective. Number 2 is a adjective. There are 8 types of There are 8 types of parts of speech. How many types? 8 types of parts of speech. Number 1 is noun. Number 2 is adjective. Number 3 is pronoun. Number 4 is verb. Number 5 is adverb. Number 6 is preposition. Number 7 is conjunction. Number 8 is interjection. अच्छा, first of all you have to know what is noun. The name of a word or a place or thing is called noun. जैसे, that is, Akbar was a great king. Kolkata is on the bank of Hooghly. The road smells sweet. The sun shines bright. His courage won him honor. Note. The word thing includes, number 1, all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. Hear, taste, touch or smell. And number 2, something. The word thing includes number 1 is all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch और इसमें नंबर टू something that can be think that can be think that something that we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses, but we cannot perceive by the senses, but we cannot perceive by the senses. Parts of speech are of 8 kinds. There are 2 things which are very important for you have to know. The word things include all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, smell. Number 2, that we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun, as he is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. How many boys? There are 20. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. A pronoun is a word that used instead of a noun, as John is absent because he is ill. John is absent because he is ill. The books are where you left them. A verb is a word used to express an action or state. To express action or state. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Kolkata is a big city. Iron and copper are useful metal. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb. An adjective and another adverb, as he worked the sum quickly. He worked the sum quickly. This flower is very beautiful. He pronounced the word quite correctly. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something. There is a cow in the garden. There is a cow in the garden. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences, as Rama and Hari are cousin. Rama and Hari are cousin. 2 and 2 make 4. I am fast but missed the train. I am fast but missed the train. An interjection is a word. Interjection is a word which express some certain feeling. इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड वह होगा जिसमें फीलिंग होगी. क्या होगी? सडन फीलिंग. हुर्रा, वी हैव won द मैच. एलास, शी इज डेड. वो मर चुका है. फीलिंग क्या है? मरने की है. अब देखिए, वर्ड्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट काइंड्स और क्लासेस आर कॉल्ड पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. ये हो गया पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. अब देखिए, देयर आर 8 काइंड्स ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. नंबर 1 इज नाउन. आई हैव क्लियर यू. नंबर 2 इज एडजेक्टिव. नंबर 3 इज प्रोनाउन. नंबर 4 इज वर्ब. नंबर 5 इज एडवर्ब. नंबर 6 इज प्रीपोजिशन. नंबर 7 इज कंजक्शन. नंबर 8 इज इंटरजेक्शन. अब इसमें 2 चीज़ें आपको देखने की ज़रूरत है बारीकी से. ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वी कैन सी, हर टेस्ट, टच और स्मेल. क्या? ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट वी कैन सी और टच. All object that we can see, all object that we can see, taste or touch. Number 2, that we can think, something that we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses, but cannot perceive by the senses. ये महत्वपूर्ण चीजें हैं, इसे ध्यान दीजिएगा. अब देखिए, 8 काइंड्स हो गया. अब आपको बताऊंगा some modern grammars include determiners among the parts of speech. Determiners are words like a and the, this, that, these, those, every, each, some, any, my, his, one, two, etc., which determines or limit the meaning of the nouns that follow. In this book, as in many traditional grammars, all the determiners except a and the are the classed among adjectives. A and the are the classed among adjectives. As words are divided into different classes according to the work they do in sentences, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of the speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. They arrived soon after. They arrived soon after. After is adverb. Number 2. They arrived after us. They arrived after us. after us, after us, preposition, they arrived after we had left. They arrived after we had after we had left. Conjunction. अब देखिए, they arrived soon after, after adverb, they arrived after us, after preposition, they arrived after we had left, conjunction. तीन ऐसी क्रियाएं हैं जो तीनों तीन रूपों में आपको दिखाई दे रही हैं. अब देखिए, नेम ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ ईच words in the following sentences given in each case or reason for the classification. ये है आपके सामने. Still waters run deep. He still lives in that house. It is in your practice. You have to practice in your home and by your grammar book. You have to follow the grammar book, and parts of speech has now completed today. Thanks to all of you.